In this tutorial, we're making the base of the car by selecting a new part, clicking on the top plane to show, spacebar to orientate to the top, sketch, center rectangle, smart dimension 170 by 48. You can click on the feature, extrude the boss base and make this 8mm. Click on the chamfer tool, select edge 1, 45 degrees at 6mm. On the other side, fillet, both corners at 24 degrees. And then you save this as base.